everybody, it's Taikina Beauty. This is my last and final HalloQueen look for you guys for this year. I am super excited to do this last look, but I'm sad at the same time. I think we had a lot of fun doing this year. Definitely had so much fun filming all of this stuff for you. Gonna be so tired like editing all this stuff. Today is Halloween and this is my actual Halloween costume. So I have like a pimple on my face. It's like bothering me like crazy. And that Halloween costume is going to be Jinx from 007, Halle, the beautiful bombshell herself. Again, she's one of my inspirations growing up. She's always been bad and she's always been cute. I see everyone do Halloween costumes with her, but I've never seen someone do her 007 Bond in her famous orange bikini. So I'm super excited. Got my hair pulled back so I can get my wig on, and I'm about to show you guys what's good. So let's get into this.
Alright, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put on some lavender oil. My skin has been very problematic in the month of October. Lavender oil is so calming and soothing for your skin. I do recommend it if you do have problematic breaking out skin. Then we're going in with the Shea Bakery acne control oil. That's what I like to call it. It helps with my pimples. If I have any breakouts, it does relieve it within like 1 to 2 days. It's amazing. Now we're going in with the Shea Bakery moisturizer, facial moisturizer. I like this moisturizer. Then we're going in with the Black Girl sunscreen. Please, I don't care if it's cold outside, please wear sunscreen. The sun will age you, so you gotta just wear that sunscreen. And now we're going in with the Laws of Nature antioxidant primer. I like this primer. I think I might try it again. Then we're going in with the Elvea Alma Apothecary Rose Water. And then we're going in with Ilia, the foundation. I raved about this foundation. I really do like it. It looks so natural and so good. You can wear it as a tinted moisturizer and then add more on. So I do like the duality of that, and the skin tone is really good. This is the shade Mojave F4. You guys should try it because it is an organic brand. I'm not really a fan of Ilia in general, but I do rave about their foundation. It's really good. It is pricey. I believe it's around the $40 to $50 range, but I find it on sale sometimes for like $25 to $30. Usually when there's like a holiday sale, so you can catch it there, but you guys should try it. It matches my skin tone very well, so I'm happy about that. It doesn't have a scent, doesn't break me out. Now we're going in with the Plain Jane Beauty concealer. I really don't care for this concealer. I don't like the consistency. It's very dry and hard to pack on. I noticed throughout this video I didn't cover my under eye circles well, and I think it was because of this concealer. But the concealer is so hard and rough to blend in that I just got tired of doing it. So I don't really recommend this concealer. I'm still going to work with it. I think you need to add water to the concealer to get it to blend in to actually work with your skin. Yeah, you can still kind of see like the darkness. That's okay though. Now we're going in with the Plain Jane Beauty translucent powder. I do like this translucent powder. I think Plain Jane Beauty is a good brand. I definitely do. I do want to check to see if I didn't put enough foundation on for the concealer. I'm gonna try it again and then come back to you guys, because I do like their lip gloss and I like their translucent powder. I'm just not crazy about that hard ass concealer. Now I was like coughing because of the translucent powder. I don't know if this is a thing with just this translucent powder. Well, I've tried others in the past, but it's really hard to pack it on, and that was really bothering me. I don't know if that's a thing. You guys let me know. But now we're going in with eyebrow pencil. This is the Chanel eyebrow pencil. I love this eyebrow pencil. This is like my favorite. I do not wax or thread my eyebrows. I love thick eyebrows. I think it stems back from me being in high school and I got my eyebrows waxed for the first time and the lady took all of my eyebrows off. I was extremely mad. It was not a good look, let's just say that. But we're going in with this eyebrow pencil. I like this. This isn't a very dark brown color. I love this because it looks so natural and blendable and you can't even tell I filled in my eyebrows, and I like that look. I don't want it to look like I've done too much to my eyebrows. Just it's amazing. I ran out of that Chanel eyebrow pencil and I think I am gonna buy it again because I love it so much. Now we're going in with the Pacifica gem palette. We're using that color Amethyst, I think it's called. It's really pretty. It's like a deep purple. I noticed Halle Berry, her eye look was like a very deep color. I also forgot to mention I tried to make my eyebrows thin because hers are a little bit thinner than mine. That's not possible. That's why they're kind of like unevenly shaped kind of. But anyways, going back to the eye look, I did go in with another purple color that was darker from the Marc Jacobs, I think it's called Nocturnal palette. Then we're going in with the Pacifica. We're using that white silvery color and then just placing it on top of the eyelids. I did put concealer on before just so it would show up. Now we're gonna put on these lashes. I'm using eyelashes I got from Amazon. I think it was a Asian brand from like China. I like these lashes. I'm gonna see if I can find them so I can link them. There's like a perfect mascara, why did I say mascara? Eyelash hack. Just pinch your eyelashes with the false eyelashes to make them one and they'll stay. That's what I'm doing now, like pinching. If you have issue with like touching your eye, then I recommend getting tweezers and just getting the tweezers to pinch those lashes together and they'll work the same. Now we're going in my wig. I tried on 2 wigs. I actually bought 2 wigs. I bought an outre wig from Amazon. I didn't like that too much. It looked like not like Halle Berry's hair. It was so hard finding a Halle Berry wig. I like Google Halle Berry wig, nothing popped up. The wig I did use, I liked it better than that one because this one, it didn't look good.
Here's the wig. I like the wig a lot. Alright you guys, there we have it. Here's my look. This is the dress. Very similar to what she wore. She wore a beautiful Versace dress. It was a little bit more purple. This is the closest thing I could find. Even the back is very similar to the dress. It was gorgeous. I think it was like a 2-piece set. Halle Berry, she's gorgeous in general. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and you guys know the deal. I'll see you guys next time in a new video. Till then, you guys, later. Bye.